In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your charcoal filter on your Samsung microwave oven. To try to find a replacement filter, open your microwave door. The bottom left-hand side, there should be this label that shows the model number. So search online for Samsung and the model number and maybe charcoal filter. Locate and unscrew the two screws near the vents on top of the oven. Open the microwave door, grab the vent piece, slide it to the left, and then pull it out. Apparently, my filter was never installed. Filter is supposed to slide right into this slot here. Here's the filter. Just kind of slides right in there. Pushes right in there just like that. Now to take it out, it's very simple. You just pull up on this bottom section and it slides right out. Also notice there are two sides to this filter. One is the charcoal side and one is the metal filter side. The metal filter side needs to go up when you install it. Now to button this piece up, you put the left side of the vent in first and work on the right, get the right side in, and you shove it all to the right like that. That should line your screw holes up on the top. Screw in both screws. And the very last thing to do is to hold down your 0 key and to clear the filtered light.